Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying requirements and opening the exact control panel you'll use. First, check Windows 10 version under Settings System About. Dark theme needs build 1809 or newer. Once done, sign in with an admin account and create a restore point in System Properties so you can revert changes if needed. Now press Windows key +I, choose Personalization, then Colors. This puts you at the correct page to switch theme elements. Don't skip these steps because they prevent permission and compatibility issues. Now you'll change the theme and fine-tune where dark mode applies. In Colors, pick Choose Your Color and select Dark. That flips System UI and supported apps immediately. If you need different settings for apps versus system surfaces, choose Custom, then set Default Windows Mode and Default App Mode independently. This lets you run File Explorer dark while keeping some app elements light if preferred. Make sure to avoid high contrast unless required for accessibility, because it overrides visual design and can break some app layouts. Finish by applying dark settings across apps and addressing common hiccups. Open apps like Edge or Office and enable their dark themes in app settings if they don't follow the system theme. This ensures a consistent look. If the theme fails to apply, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and back in. That forces UI refresh. If you encounter graphical glitches, update display drivers or use your restore point to revert. If problems persist, mention the exact symptom and you'll get targeted steps to fix it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.